Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto G100, and I'll show you how to customize volume panels on this device. So first you should go to the Google Play, and here on the search pool type the volume styles. Now just we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds. Now just open the app. Here on the right upper corner tap to start, and now we just here have to tap on the switcher to activate the application. Here click yes, I agree, and as can you see right now we got here all the available volume panels, and you can choose select one from these new volume panels. For example, we'll check the iOS one. Yes, can you see we got here when we are just pressing on our volume buttons, we got here the iOS volume panel. Also we can try the way one, and right, yes, as can you see we got here the new volume panel. And just if you wanna turn it off, just tap here on this to stop on the right upper corner, and as can you see right now we got here our just regular default volume panel. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.